Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to create and send professional emails using B12's email marketing. By the end, you'll know how to customize templates, personalize content, and send test emails before reaching your audience. This feature requires a client engagement seat. For more information about B12 subscription and client engagement seats, check the link in the description. Before using email marketing, be sure to set up email sending for your domain so you can use your preferred email address. In your B12 editor, open Email Marketing from the left sidebar menu. Click Start a new email to begin composing and sending your message. You can choose from B12's collection of pre-written templates, like welcome messages, event announcements, and survey requests, or start from scratch by selecting Blank Email. After selecting a template, click Customize to start personalizing it. Edit the email title to stay organized. Under sections, you can add new content blocks or edit existing ones. In the header, add your brand logo, name, and email title. In Card 1, edit the heading, body text, image, and call to action. Links can also be added. Choose whether you want it to appear as a button or as a link. In the footer, update your closing text and social media links. If you want to add another card, click Add section. Customize it the same way the first card is customized. If you want to remove it, scroll to the bottom of the card setting and click Delete section. Next, go to Style to customize the look of your email. You can adjust text size, colors, and button styles to match your brand. When you're happy with the design, click Continue. In the next step, fill out the basic information. From is the email address your recipients will see in the From field. The subject line and preview text are what appear in their inbox before they open the message. Under Settings, choose whether the email will be one-time or automated. A one-time email is sent manually to recipients when you choose, while an automated email is triggered and sent automatically by specific actions, like a form submission. Automated emails can be set up to send confirmations or follow-up messages without needing your direct involvement each time. Under 2, select your recipients or tags, then click Review. Click Save as Draft to return later, or Review to check everything before sending. We strongly recommend sending a test email first. Click Send Test Email. Enter one or more addresses, then press Enter. Click Send Test Email. Check your inbox to make sure everything looks right. You can make adjustments and send another test if needed. Once you're satisfied, click Send Email, then send Now to confirm. After sending, you'll be taken to the Sent page. Here, you can see all the emails you've sent along with open and click rates to track your campaign performance. Click back to check your drafts, sent emails, and automated emails. And just like that, you can reach your customers and leads with built-in tools that work seamlessly with your website through B12 email marketing. If you have questions, the Help Center has all the answers you need. Check the link in the description. Haven't tried B12 yet? Start for free at www.b12.io and generate your AI website in less than 60 seconds. Thanks for watching, and we can't wait to see what you build.